Hey, in this video, I will show you exactly how to buy and use emotes in-game in Deep.io. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go to the store. And as you can see, you can buy skins, pets, and emotes. Skins, pets, emotes, but I want an emote. So I think I really would like the Epic Sleeper. Okay, so I have to sign into an account or create an account. I already have an account, so I'll quickly sign in. I'll be 1 second. And I'm signed in. Okay, so now I go to the store, I go for the emote that I want, which is the Epic Sleeper, and I can buy it for 10 coins. And just waiting, add it to my inventory, great. So I've got that emote. What else do I want? I think I want the Cool Snapper, or maybe the Whoopsie Dolphin. Okay, 10 coins, bought. So I've got that one, and lastly, I think I want the Frogfish Vomit. Alright, bought that one. And the last one I will buy is this jellyfish. Jellyfish shrug. Bought 10 coins. Okay, cool. So now I don't go to the store, I go to my inventory instead. The inventory will pop up once you're logged into an account. So I go to my emotes and I select the ones I want to use. So I can put my sleeper one here, and I put my frogfish one here. I put the jellyfish here, and the whoopsie dolphin. So you can equip 4 emotes at once. Okay, so when I play the game, as you can see, I'm playing the game. And when I want to equip the emote, you press E and the emotes will pop up. And then you can just click the one you want to use. As you can see, Frogfish Vomit. As you can see, Sleeper Crying. Cool, I don't really know. The Jellyfish Confused. And the Whoopsie Dolphin. I don't know which one's my favorite, let me know. Anyway, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe. Let me know what videos you'd like to see next in terms of tutorials and everything. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.